Hey everyone, thanks for coming back. Welcome back to our channel, Retirement Adventures in Puerto Rico. All right, today we got some stuff we got to do, so let's get it on. Okay, so today, or now, all right, we're gonna do the garden. Get that going. So I got these onions that were left over from last year. They were growing, so I'm going to replant those. All right, nothing fancy. We're only doing a couple of tomato plants and some peppers this year. That's it. So here I put down some weed barrier just to keep those pesky weeds from coming back up through my garden. Then I just cut some holes in the weed barrier and pop my plants. And yeah, give them some water. Okay, so here we got the Better Boy tomatoes. We bought the bigger ones so we wouldn't have to wait so long. Okay, we got the Bonnie Bell green pepper. Let's go. So, here we go. The garden is planted. So my mom made this with my son. when he was about 5. Yeah, maybe 8. Or the garden. And we use it as a stepping stone, so there you go. Okay, so garden's done. Just gotta water it now and watch it grow. Except for those big logs. Yeah, we have. Today we gotta work on this pool. Dig up all these patio blocks. This has to come down like 4 or 5 inches because we're putting a deeper wall pool in. Anyways, that's my work for today. Okay. Yeah, the garbage man didn't pick up our garbage this week. Well, I see the lawn grass guy picked up that stuff. So, we'll just throw this in the garbage can out here and wait for them to pick it up. Hopefully tomorrow. Yeah, everybody else is out too. Oh, we got some stuff from Amazon, it looks like. Who ordered what? Oh. Those are the parts for my microwave. Cool. Alright, guy's coming tomorrow to fix our microwave. It's under warranty. Sensor air keeps shutting off halfway through popcorn. Can't have that. Yeah, so we went and got a bunch of bird feed and some more stuff for the house, doing all this spring work. And got a couple of bird feeders. Let's go feed the birds. I got one that's got a camera on it. It's pretty cool. I can watch it on my phone when I come and perch there and eat their seeds. Let's go fill them up. So it's kind of funny, last year the seeds I used had corn seeds in them, and the corn got knocked out and started growing right underneath the bird feeder. Alright, so let's get this one. So yeah, the squirrels get up here and try to get all the feed out of here. They've literally destroyed a couple of bird feeders. Alright, so there's that. So we got these tomato plants at Lowe's, and then we went to a produce barn, and they had some that were 3 times the size, already have tomatoes on them for about $4 more. So next year we'll know. No Lowe's. So if you enjoyed that video or got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe, and be sure to come back for more retirement adventures in Puerto Rico and Michigan. Adios.